A sweet surprise awaited the astronauts aboard the International Space Station, ISS, this week. Amidst the crucial cargo and scientific equipment delivered by Northrop Grumman's Cygnus XL spacecraft, the Expedition 73 crew received a special delivery of care packages from home. A taste of home in space. Imagine the excitement as NASA astronaut Jonny Kim shared his joy on social media, expressing his gratitude for the care packages sent by loved ones. Kim, along with his crewmates Mike Finken, Zena Cardman, and Kimchi Yui, posed for a heartwarming photo, each holding their favorite treats. From kimchi and Korean barbecue pork to gummy bears and Reese's peanut butter cups, these snacks brought a touch of home to the vastness of space. But here's where it gets controversial. Should astronauts indulge in such treats, or is it a distraction from their mission? Share your thoughts in the comments. Beyond the sweets, scientific endeavors. While the care packages brought a smile to the astronauts' faces, their primary focus remained on groundbreaking scientific research. The Expedition 73 crew conducted a range of experiments, pushing the boundaries of knowledge in space exploration. MVP Cell 07 and multi-use variable G platform, Jonny Kim and Kimchi Yui studied bioprinted liver tissues, observing their response to microgravity. This research aims to improve organ manufacturing and enhance astronaut health and quality of life on Earth. Microgravity-associated bone loss B. NASA astronaut Zena Cardman prepared bone stem cell samples, aiming to protect astronauts' skeletal systems and potentially treat aging conditions and bone diseases on our planet. Bionutrients 3. Mike Fink continued a study on yeast, yogurt, and fermented milk samples as a source of vitamins and nutrients for future long-duration space missions. Plasma Crystal 4. Oleg Platonov, a cosmonaut with Roscosmos, observed complex plasmas and captured images of glaciers and mountains in South America and Africa, recording Earth's natural and human-made conditions, maintaining the space station. In addition to their scientific pursuits, the Expedition 73 crewmates dedicated time to maintaining the space station's systems and preparing for future research. They unloaded and transferred fluids from the newly arrived Russian Progress 93 resupply ship and captured Northrop Grumman's first extra-large cargo vehicle using the Canadarm2 robotic arm. A dream come true. Jonny Kim and Zena Cardman shared their experiences aboard the ISS during an interview at the Fast Company Innovation Festival in New York. Cardman expressed the honor and excitement of finally carrying out a mission they had dreamed about for years. "It's a dream come true to be here," she said. "Having a friend like Jonny up here makes it even more special." The crew and their spacecraft. As of Friday, September 19th, the ISS hosted 7 crew members. Expedition 73 Commander Sergei Ryzhikov of Roscosmos, cosmonauts Alexei Zabritsky and Oleg Platonov, NASA astronauts Jonny Kim, Zena Cardman, and Mike Finke, and Kimchi Yui of JAXA. 2 crew spacecraft were docked, SpaceX's Dragon Endeavour and Roscosmos Soyuz MS-27. Additionally, 4 cargo spacecraft were berthed, Roscosmos Soyuz, Progress MS-31, and Progress M32, SpaceX's CRS-33 Dragon, and Northrop Grumman's NG-23 Cygnus XL, named the SS William C. Willie McCool. The space station has been continuously crewed for an impressive 24 years, 10 months, and 17 days as of Friday. A remarkable milestone in human space exploration. Join the conversation in our space forums to discuss the latest missions, share your thoughts on space exploration, and connect with fellow space enthusiasts.